Some more breaking news coming in now. The MHA has also now issued a show cause notice to the SSP Bathinda and have also asked him to submit his reply within a day as well. And the MHA has also asked the SSP to submit his reply by January 8th, that is tomorrow. Let me also go across now to Amandeep joining us for more on this. Amandeep, the MHA now issuing a show cause notice to the SSP of Bathinda.
Well, Richa, first MHA team has summoned all the officials, 5 SSPs, 1 DIG and 1 ADGP. And in fact, all of they came to the Firozpur BSF headquarters and their statements has been recorded by the MHA team. And when even the MHA team visited at that flyover, SSP Firozpur and SSP Faridkot, 2 SSPs, 1 DIG, they accompanied MHA team and they explained entire situation. Now, after that, MHA asked them to file a reply regarding the certain and specific queries in written, that what had happened, how the security breach happened on January 5 at a flyover, and what the Punjab police has done and in between that 20 minutes when Prime Minister was standing at a flyover in the middle of the crowd, and why the police was failed to clear the road, why police was not protecting and providing the appropriate security to the Prime Minister, and why they have failed to clear the road, and why Prime Minister take a U-turn, what kind of security measures they have taken on that day. So these are the specific answers that have been sought by MHA from the local SSP, just because there is a duty chart where number of IPS officers has been deployed, including IG, including ADGP, for the security of the Prime Minister on January 5. And they were the responsible to make a smooth ride of Prime Minister from Bathinda to Firozpur, just because they were having ample of time. When Prime Minister started from Bathinda and in the midway, they have ample of time, just because it is more than a 100-kilometer drive. Good 95 minutes were the time that was taken by Prime Minister to travel to Firozpur flyover, and in the middle of that time, no communication was held. The route was not being sanitized of the Prime Minister by the local police. No intelligence input has been informed to SPG or Prime Minister's security that there is a road blockade just 10 kilometers behind the rally, and no information has been passed to the Prime Minister office or Prime Minister's security that there might be some kind of security threat, so Prime Minister should opt for route B, an alternate route. Nothing has been provided. So now the Punjab police is in thick soup, Punjab government is in thick soup, and in fact now the local SSP has to provide all kind of information to MHA that what had done, what are their efforts, what they were up to when Prime Minister was stuck at a flyover for good 20 minutes, and what the security was doing. Are they trying to clear the road or not? Why they have failed to clear the road, even having the time span of couple of hours also. And in fact, they cannot wash out their hands from this entire situation, thus because local police is responsible to provide every kind of route, roadmap and security to Prime Minister. This is a security protocol.
Yes.
Yes, Richa.
Absolutely, Amandeep, and stay with us even as you are closely tracking the MHA team who are currently now visiting Firozpur for further probe. We'll slip into a short break. We'll be back with the latest on the other side. Stay tuned.